Techno with me again today. I have a new topic and a new issue for you and a solution as well. As we all know that Google AdSense is suspending accounts and placing ads limits on the accounts and even disabling the Google AdSense account due to policy violation and due to invalid activity. The first one and the most one is invalid activity. I had already discussed it in my previous video, but let's discuss it again because some updates are here from Google AdSense as well regarding invalid activity. Uh, as we know that Google AdSense clearly mentioned everything in their policies, but the thing is we never want to read the policies and we never spend time on reading the Google AdSense policies, just placing ads and want to earn money, but we never do research and things like that. But I am here to do research for you, and I came up with something here that what is the invalid activity exactly, because some publishers are asking that Google AdSense just disabled and suspended my account without any reason. I was doing good and my traffic was real and genuine and there was nothing wrong, but still Google AdSense place ad limits or any penalty on my website. So here is the things that you should keep in mind while placing Google AdSense ads on your website. That the policy ad interfering. This is the Google AdSense policy. You can go and search for it in the Google AdSense support community as well. Here are some things clearly mentioned. They said we do not allow Google served ads that overlay or are adjacent to navigational or other action items and may lead to unintended ad interactions. For example, you have a website and you place the ads on near the navigations like the search button or with some category name and on your recent post, and you paste the code to somewhere where navigational things are happening like your homepage, contact us, about us, and your whole website where navigational options and actions are happening, and it can lead user to unintended ad interaction. For example, a user don't want to click, but they are compelled to click on the ad due to wrong ad placement. Okay, so this is one thing that they had clearly mentioned. Second one, severely interfere with consumption of content, including overlay. Okay, including overlaying the content or pushing the content off the display. Okay, so this is also a matter of discussion, and you may know that what it exactly means. And the second one, ads are placed on a dead end screen where the user is not able to exit the screen without clicking the ad. You can understand this point as well, because sometimes some publishers are using some ads format and they place the ads on a screen where user is not able to exit the screen without clicking the ad, like they will have necessary clicking the ad. So it's something which compelling the user to click on the ad. The user intentionally don't click on the ads, but the publishers place the ads wrongly and wants the user to click the ads unintentionally, and they want to make money. So this is if you are a user and you are going to search something on Google and you are facing such ads from publishers, then it's bad, and even you cannot enjoy Google. Even you cannot um, find what you are looking for, and you will facing troubles in the Google uh, search, and you will be annoying on Google, and you will say that it's shit and it should not be uh, like this. So definitely Google is more focused on user experience, and if the user's experience is not good, then Google will placing ad limits, penalties, and suspensions as well. Here's how you can solve things and how you can interact with Google AdSense on a proper way. So they say to avoid Google served ads interfering with user interactions, Google served ads should not overlay or be placed immediately next to interactive elements and interactive content, which can include but is not limited to. So they said the following main things. Uh, there should not You should not place ads here. Navigational buttons such as a custom app, menu bar, etc. Okay. Second one is interactive content like a text chart box or an image in an image gallery. Like if you are placing ads exactly below the image, then user uh, won't be able to differentiate between the image and between the uh, Google ad. Okay. And if you are placing the Google ads exactly below or above or near the navigational buttons like menu bar and text chat box, or somewhere where user cannot differentiate that where is the option which user is looking for, and what is the difference between the ads and that content which user is specifically looking for. Okay, the third one is on a gameplay screen where users are continuously interacting with the app. For example, a user is just interacting with the play screen, and you are placing ads which user cannot skip, and user don't have any way to exit the screen without clicking on the ad. So you are compelling the user, you are making the user experience as bad on Google, and Google will definitely penalize the site. This is be careful when placing links, play buttons, download buttons, navigation buttons, like e.g. previous or next, game windows, video players, drop down menus, or applications near ads, because they might lead to accidental clicks. Are the ads interfering with user interaction? The positioning of the advertising and other paid promotional materials should not push the publisher content off the display. Google serve ads cannot overlay or obscure the other ads. So here are the things, and you can search for this policy, ads interfering policy. If you are a genuine user and your traffic is good and things, then you should place the ads manually, properly on your website, and on the places where it should be, and it should not be making the user experience as bad. And for the solution, if you have suspension and ads limitation on your website, you should have to turn off all the ads, okay, and remove the ads unit if you have created manually. Okay, remove the ads unit and turn off all the auto ads, and you can remove the ad codes from your website for 48 hours at least, and get some genuine traffic and wait, and then place only one ad manually. The ad size should be fit and properly as per the Google guidelines. Only one ad unit should be placed after 48 hours. Okay, and then see the results. I hope you will finding our videos helpful. Thank you for watching.